Actually, if I can recollect the letter, it was an email, no? Sometime last year, no? December, informing na hindi siya nakabalik, explaining kung bakit hindi siya nakabalik. Okay? And there was no request for extension. And it's not also for the DOJ to grant an extension. Remember, we as Filipinos have our personal liberties up until a court order or some other compulsory process deters yung ating personal liberties. In the case ni Secretary Bonoan, ilbo pa lang at that stage, no? So limitations on travel. Hindi naman siya pinagbabawalan na ikukulong ka. Wala pang ganon, di ba? So it was something within his liberties to travel, to stay on. But it was more of in-inform ang DOJ na hindi ako nakabalik ng ganong araw kasi ganito. So how did the DOJ reply? I did reply. I asked him, okay, noted, nasaan ka? Saan ka nag-i-stay? At kailan ka ba talaga babalik? That was the query. But apparently, bumalik na si Secretary Bonoan. So I did get the merit of an answer to my query. So that's the situation.